Understanding the meaning of climactic. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss: the word climactic. This is a word that you might come across in books, movies, or even in everyday conversation, and it has a very specific and powerful meaning. So, let's dive in and explore what climactic really means, and how you can use it in your own conversations and writing. Climactic is an adjective that is derived from the word climax, which refers to the highest or most intense point in a series or progression of events. When we describe something as climactic, we are saying that it is related to or constitutes a climax, representing a moment of great intensity or significance. For example, in a movie, the climactic scene might be the final battle between the hero and the villain, where the tension is at its peak, and the outcome will determine the resolution of the story. Key takeaway: climactic is used to describe a moment that is the most intense or significant in a series of events. Now that we understand what climactic means, let's look at how to use it in a sentence. 1. The film built up to a climactic showdown between the two main characters. 2. The novel's climactic moment left readers on the edge of their seats. 3. After months of preparation, the team's climactic performance earned them a standing ovation. In each of these sentences, climactic is used to describe a moment of intense significance and drama. Key takeaway: use climactic to describe moments that are the culmination of a series of events, where the tension and significance are at their highest. It's important to note that climactic is often confused with climatic, which relates to climate. These two words have very different meanings, so it's crucial to use them correctly. Climactic, relating to or constituting a climax. Climatic, relating to climate. Key takeaway: be careful not to confuse climactic with climatic, as they have different meanings. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the word climactic for you. Remember, this is a great word to use when you want to describe a moment of intense drama and significance. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.